Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. With ADA, not much to add since the last update. Instead, we are currently following the forecast here. Yeah, we have made overnight some new, or at least one new low here. Came down to 39.5 cents. I think we are in this wave pattern where we are currently putting in a wave 2. So after creating this wave 1, a possible impulse to the upside. Again, not an ideal pattern, because this fifth wave in green, of 1 was very short. Okay, an explanation could be that we did already, let's say, pump so much here. That was around 15%, wasn't it, in this third wave, that maybe the fifth wave was just a bit weak. It was already getting exhausted. I mean, that's only the only reason why I'm entertaining this idea of it being an impulse still. I mean, it is a 5-wave pattern, yes, but it looks also a bit messy, especially with that wave 1 down there, which wasn't a clear impulse, and the wave 5 up there as well, right? So, however, the entire structure can be counted as an impulse. And let's say the ideal, or not the ideal, but the more in an ideal world, right? Let's say the most bullish interpretation would be that this here is a 1-2 setup of a higher degree, so that we have put in here this wave 1 in 5 waves. Then we came down in wave A, moved up in an overshooting wave B, quite a clear 3-wave structure, and we're now coming down in a C wave. And this C wave consists of 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the fifth wave still to be done. Actually, the third wave still to be done and to be finished. So we at the moment see a little bit of a sell-off ahead of the FOMC meeting or press conference. Whatever the outcome will be, we don't know. Expectations are around 75 basis points, or maybe even 50, but less people expect 50 than 75. And of course, if the actual decided interest rate increase is lower than 75, it would be quite bullish. I think already 75 would be fairly neutral. Maybe it even gets us a little bit of a recovery rally, especially if we now see prices coming down ahead of the press conference, right? And then could be a little bit of a counter reaction after the release of the interest rate decision. Okay, but the view is that in this C wave down, we come down in a wave 1 and 2. That's already done. Then we have a subwave structure here of a 1-2 setup, and we're currently putting in this third wave in yellow. That is what we talked about the previous video. That is so far playing out. Target for this third wave would be the 1.618 extension. Now we've already reached the 1-to-1 ratio. That's sort of the first possible target for a wave 3, but in this case it's a bit too short. It is a bit too short because the wave 1 was already quite long. So ideally you come down a bit lower, and the ideal target would be the 38.6 cent level, the 1.618 FIB extension. So we are currently on track to doing that. A small engulfing red candle that we currently see, and a move below 39.6 cents would confirm the further sell-off. The moment we still are here fighting with this support level. There's a support level, the previous low here, and breaking that would exactly be a confirmation that we are heading down in wave 3. On the flip side, if we now move to the upside and break above the wave 2 high at 41.5 cents, that would be rather an indication that something else is unfolding here. Something that is not in line with this expectation. And then we would need to look at that. But basically a move above 41.5 cents would invalidate this imminent sell-off scenario in a wave 2. And I've highlighted here possible targets for the wave 2. We look at the area around 34.7 or 37.3 cents. They are both possible targets to complete this wave C of 2. Okay, and that's my update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.